Hey, it's Sam Bakker. Welcome to this video, and I'm excited today to show you this demo video for Graphitti. Now, this is a software that's been created by the same people that created videos. Very high quality software. Again, it's to do with videos and creating videos. This time it's a slightly different video than you would be creating through a software like videos. It's a cinemagraph. Now, these cinemagraphs, they've only recently become very popular. The reason they're very popular is that they're unusual, they're weird, and part of the image itself will actually be able to be moving. You can probably see on my screen right now that part of this image is moving while the rest of it is staying still. Now, when you create one of these, what you'll be able to do is list them into Facebook, you'll be able to list them over social media, and it's going to make it really easy for you to grab people's attention with them as well because they stand out far more than an image. Now, this software also does GIF images. It also has a number of other features, but that's the main part of the software itself. If you want to be able to engage people with moving backgrounds while part of the image is still, and hopefully, as a result of that, get higher click-through rates for your ads over social media or any advertising you're doing, then this is the software that will help you do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass it on now to Sam. He's going to show you a walkthrough demo of how the software works, and I encourage you to go down below, find out more about the software, and check out all the bonuses down below as well. Talk to you again soon.
Hey, Sam Robinson here, and welcome to the demo of Graphitti. As you can see, we are on the page here. This is a fully browser-based software, so you don't need to install anything onto your computer. It's all cloud-based. All you need is a web browser to get started. This is a fantastic software to allow you to be able to create nice images that look static but have moving elements to them. You can also trim and crop videos to make them perfect for social media, good lengths and things, and then you can export them as an MP4 or a GIF file as well, and also share them via all your social channels. So today I'm going to show you how to do all of that, how to add text to your video, how to add drawing to your video, how to make a static video with moving elements as well. So it's as simple as clicking the Get Started button. Here we are, it brings up our uploader, so we choose a video to upload. I'm going to choose this night scene, click open, and that's going to upload it into the cloud on Graphitti for use for editing and rendering. Sometimes this can take a little while, depending on your internet connection and the amount of load on the Graphitti servers. Cool, so there we are, it's just finishing its upload now. Typically, I find it takes anywhere between a few seconds up to a couple of minutes during testing. I guess this will depend on all the variables above. However, it's nice and easy and it's nothing to be too worried about. So now you can select your video thumbnail from your video as this is just a static image. As you can see, as we scroll through, the clouds are moving, the water is moving. What I want to do is I'll just select whatever I want as my thumbnail. This will do, and we just click next step. It's as simple as just following the steps. Now this video here, 31 seconds long. I want it about 15 seconds long, so I can choose any start point I want and any finish point I want. So if I start it from 5 seconds in, and I will go finish it at 20 seconds in, that's going to give me about a 15-second video, which is what I'm after. I'm going to click next. And as you can see, it asks if we'd like to crop the video to these frames. This is permanent and cannot be undone. Of course, this is okay. I'm going to click OK. And if you didn't intend to do it, you can also just go in and upload it again. Now, here we are. We have the overlay part. This is how you make the videos with the moving part of the video without the rest moving. As you noticed before in the preview, the clouds are moving, the water was moving, there was cars driving along the road. Now, in this video, I just want to have the water as the moving object. So we can choose our brush size, okay? We can move it smaller, we can move it bigger, whatever we want. So I'm going to make it about 40, which is perfect for what I want it to do. Now I select the area that I want to be animated. So it's opened it up as an animation. I go through and I highlight the water because this is what I want to keep as a live image. Now I'm going to go down, I'm going to move back across, and I'm going to color in the rest. Dead simple. Now when I click off this, you can see the water is animated and moving, but the rest of the image is static. This is really cool to create nice engaging images. You've probably seen them all over social media. Great for ads and things like that as well. Now, we can also add text by clicking the text button. Within each font type, you choose a category of font, and then down below there's a number of fonts relating to that category. So I want a nice clean serif font. I'm going to go down and just find this font here will do. I can choose my font size and also my font color as well. So I'm just going to put this, I'm going to put up top, and I'm going to say, check out Graphitti. Graphitti. Okay. We can also change this font in live time by just selecting another font. Let's say a handwriting one, a nice script font, anything. This could be cool. We'll go check out Graphitti. Now I can also change the size of the box I want to add the font into, and also drag it and move it around as well. Okay, so once we've got this, we can also just highlight it all. We can change the color live. We can adjust the font size live as well. Also on top of this, we can also draw on the image. So we can choose the brush color. We can choose any color we want. We can choose white. We can choose, pink. We can also put in the hex color down here on the corner as well. So I'm going to choose white. I'm going to use a nice small brush size. And what I can do is just write by Sam, just for the purposes of this demo. Now, this could be quite cool to just color in things, add on extra effects, draw arrows, whatever you need to as well. But for the sake of this demo, we'll just do this. So here we go. We've created an image where the water is moving, the rest of the image is static, and we've also put text and drawing on top of this. You can manage the layers down below. As you can see, I've done text layers. You can delete and add to them live as well. So now that we've created our ideal image, we just click next step. And it says, would you like to save the overlay without adding the text layer to the image? Whoops. So what I got to do is I got to click add. So this locks the text layer into the image, okay? If we want to edit again, we can click edit. So there we go, we're going to click next step, and it's going to save the image with the overlay and as aesthetic. Now, once we're happy with it, we can click save. So it's as simple as clicking save. The video has been saved to the cloud, okay? And then we can share it through a number of options. We can share it directly on Twitter, on Facebook, Google+, Tumblr, or Blogger, okay, right within the click of a button, providing you are signed into these networks on your browser. Cool, so it's saved this image. Now, obviously, like we just mentioned, we could share it, but all you have to do is, if you want to save it to your computer, you can copy the link, jump up into the browser, paste the link in, and it's going to load up the image here. Now you can right click on this, click save image as, and it will save, it'll give you a pop-up box. So the pop-up box comes up, you can just save it as whatever you want to your desktop as a GIF image and upload it wherever you need to be able to test it out. Also, like I mentioned before, you can also just share it via the social tabs down the bottom. So this is Graphitti, this is Sam. Been a pleasure to show you through this software. Perfect to be able to create short things for social media right within this software. So check this out today and check out all the details down below on the bonus page for the extra bonuses and discounts available when you buy today on this page. This is Sam, and enjoy Graphitti.